people, welcome back to Live Life Lovely. Today I am so excited. I am going to be decorating my house. So this is the beginning of my fall series. I'm starting with my dining room and then I'm moving through the house. But before I do that, I'd like to do some DIY. So I've done 3 today from Dollar Tree. So they are coming up soon and I'll give you a clue. One is right behind me right here. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. If you click it twice, you'll see me twice as much. Thank you so much and I will talk to you soon. Bye! So for this DIY, I purchased some gift bags, some pumpkin plates, a bag of words, harvest, thankful, and welcome, I think. And this frame came from a frame that had a piece in the middle, and I'll show you what I'll do with that in a minute. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut this middle part out. I actually used it in a DIY. I will link the link below. I made a wreath with that. And then I'm going to take this paper, cut it, and make the pumpkin look like a frame with this paper behind it. Okay, that looks good. So now I'm going to adhere this with the glue gun, and once this is adhered, we will go on to the next step. So the next step is to cut this pumpkin out of one of the plates and then glue it onto the frame. I used craft glue here. It looks like Elmer's glue, but it's way more adhesive. And then I'm going to add the thankful sign to this, and I'm going to just hot glue it by putting dabs of glue on random areas of the word. Alright, the last thing I'm going to do is take this ribbon from the Dollar Tree and cover the hole that was made by the piece in the middle with this leaf ribbon. And ta-da! This is the end of this DIY. Isn't it beautiful, guys? The second DIY is a pillowcase. So I used a pillowcase from my cabinet and this fabric glue, this permanent fabric glue, and I placed it all over the leaf on the surface area, and then I just pasted it down onto the pillow. I ironed the pillowcase first because the directions said not to wash it or iron it for a while after you put the leaf on. And then I took one of my paintings and put it on top for some weight and left it there for 30 minutes. Look at that, guys. It came out pretty well. I did a red one and an orange one. My last DIY only cost $1. I bought these shiny leaves from the Dollar Tree and I used a charger from last Christmas. So I'm going to carefully place the leaves in a pattern. I was going to use the green leaf, but I didn't like it, so I took the green leaf out and used the rest in this pattern. I'm going to hot glue these down, and notice that I'm hot gluing them down closer towards the edge of the plate. I did a practice run with a plate earlier, and if you put them too much in the center, you won't be able to see the leaves beyond the plate when you put a plate on it. So make sure to put your leaves towards the end of the charger, and this dried really quickly. The hot glue gun was pretty easy to use as well, so I'm going to finish this up, and that will be the end of this DIY number 3. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you were inspired to do some DIYs for your home. Thank you so much for watching. Please become a part of my circle of lovely people and like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, see you later. Bye.